All right. So I gotta cut it somewhere, but my line's off a little, I can tell. I'm not exactly sure how to cut this yet. I gotta find it, centered it. Amazing, the motor mount for the cab mount, or that cab mount is like the same spot. Just sit there and you're like, huh. Because once you get in the back, that frame's wide. So I'm wondering, where should I cut this sucker? I don't know yet. Because if I could just weld that onto there and brace that back where it's at, I don't know. Here you go. Got it set in there okay. I'm a little off. It acts like it's got to go back, but I'm going off the nut. So I'm going off this nut, and it says pretty close if you use both nuts, but how does it look? So I had to cut wedges out of the Dakota frame, and then I cut this and just flared it, and then yeah, there's gonna be a lot of repair welding. It's closer. I gotta get it all square now. That's gonna suck. There's nothing square in this whole thing. But yeah, update. So I reset up the little laser, and then I set the front end according. And I have the fender held up with my trusty sidekick, and you can tell how much of the front frame I gotta cut off. But I think it's sitting good in the wheel well. What's left of it. The heights are all balanced. Oh. I like laser levels. So, measuring for square, I really don't know. But I went off of this bolt, and then there's a factory frame hole you can kind of see right back between the two grind marks. And then there's another one on this side you can see. And I go from there to that bolt, and that bolt to that one, and I'm within a 1/16 of an inch. My level is level, and then I put it on the center of these two, which is and still level, so that's safe. And then I come over here, we say that's pretty level, I say that's pretty level. So to me that means the fender looks good, the frame looks level, square. I need to tack weld in. I'm going to try to reach inside there with the torch and catch the bottom where it's touching the frame on both sides. And then after I tack it in, that should keep it from moving. Then I can bend this side flap in and tack it. And then I can bend the other side flap in and tack it. And I can pull the top and bottom down and tack that. And then I gotta cut the pieces off and fab it. But there it is.